This is the 5th and 6th generation iPod LCD installation instructions. So first what you want to do is make sure you have your pry tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Go ahead and open up your iPod. Disconnect the ribbon cable for the battery. Open the iPod like a book. Then go ahead and lift up on the hard drive and disconnect it from the motherboard and set that aside. Then what you want to do is lift up on the connector clip that holds in the cable for the headphone jack and remove the cable from the motherboard. And then you can go ahead and set your back plate aside. From this point, well, you have to remove the 6 screws on the side of the iPod. There's 3 on each side. One right here, right here, right here, and then right here, right here, right here. After you've removed the 6 screws, the mid frame, meaning this metal piece right here, should just pop away from the faceplate. Go ahead and push on the click wheel and pull back on the faceplate. Sometimes that helps remove them from each other. You can go ahead and set your faceplate aside. Then what you want to do is unclip the ribbon cable connector right here and remove the ribbon cable from it. Then you can go ahead and remove the LCD from the front of the iPod. Then you can place your new one back in the same position and connect the ribbon cable back in. Then everything is reversed from what you did to take it apart.